Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. No, I don't have hair on right now because I wanted to show you this. And sometimes we're looking for wigs and we see something on the website and it looks so pretty. Then we get it and it's nothing could be further from the truth. We put it on our heads and we say, oh my gosh, this is just not going to work for me. And that's what happened to me with Rory from Rene of Paris in the color Chocolate Pretzel. I think I've told you in the past that I don't return wigs. I just try to make them work because I have been on the hunt for affordable wigs. And actually it was Jenny from support over at Wig Studio One support team that suggested that I try this wig. And because I love Jenny, I said, sure, absolutely. And I took a look at it. I thought, well, why not? Why shouldn't I try it? It looks lovely. I never would have thought of it. And it's a very, very affordable price, just a little over $100, which I think is amazing. And Rene of Paris has, and they have, I think their wigs are workhorses. They last forever. In the realm of things, not forever, but you know what I mean. Anyway, I chose in Chocolate Pretzel. I think the color is just beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. This is Chocolate Pretzel combines a dark chocolate base with a cascade of medium honey blonde and medium coppery highlights. I think the color is just beautiful. The fibers are soft and luscious. I just think it is great. It doesn't feel as if it has any permatease whatsoever. It feels very light. It does seem to have a higher density, but it doesn't seem to be over the top. And I love the color. And I thought, oh my gosh, this is a winner for sure. Jenny, thank you so much for recommending it. Then I put her on and I thought, holy moly, what am I going to do with this wig? I was going to give it a cold bath and I was going to tell you what I did. I was going to steam. Beautiful. It has really soft feminine waves to it and the fibers just feel so realistic. I thought, okay, I'll just give it a bath. And then I thought better of it. I thought, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like out of the box. And then I'll take you step by step by what I did. And we'll see how it looks at the end. Right now, at the time that I am recording this, I have not done anything to it. So I have no idea what it's going to look like at the end. But we're gonna see together. So nice and roomy on my 21.7. So check it out. I'm going to use a wide tooth comb because I don't want to. You never want to brush. We never want to brush a wig that has waves to it. The fringe on Rory is 4 inches, so I know right off the bat that is too long for me. So I know I'm going to have to give it a trim if I'm going to keep it. I love the color. Absolutely love the color. Here's what I don't like. I don't like this flat bang here. I don't care for that one single bit. And maybe you do, and maybe it works for you. It doesn't work for me. So one thing I could do is just sweep it over to the side and do that little kind of deal, which I really don't care for either. But I love the wig and I love the color. The color is just spectacular. We can't wear it off the face. It's not allowing me to move it off the face like I did with Modern Flare. I don't know if it's because it's short. I don't know if it's because it has box hair. I'm not sure what it is. But what we're going to do is we're going to give this girl a cold bath, and I'll be back. It's been a couple of days and I'm back. I wanted to let you know that you don't need to do this with every single wig. Sometimes just a little spritz of water will certainly work. When I reviewed the footage from the other day, I saw that on camera it really didn't look that bad. I could have probably gotten away with just spritzing the bangs and that would have been sufficient. At the time that I put her on, I didn't feel that way, and that was, just the way I saw it. And that will happen. There are many wigs that we take out of the box. For example, this is Regal from Main Attraction. I took Regal out of the box, I gave her a shake, put her on my head, and Regal looked perfect. Just exactly the same way as you see it. And it doesn't matter how many times I wear Regal, always looks the same. She hasn't been washed yet, nothing, no products on it. There's nothing on this wig. And then there are times when we get a wig and we say, what on earth am I going to do with this? Sometimes just a couple of shakes, a little bit of comb, maybe a little spritz of water, just manipulating with your finger, separating the fibers, and all of that will be enough to make a wig look really pretty. My problem with Rory was the bangs more than anything. I felt that it had box hair. And when I looked at it closely in the mirror, they were very flat. And some may really like the bangs that way. I do not wear bangs that way. And granted, this is not about me. This is about you seeing it. And maybe you're like me. Maybe you prefer a little rounder bang or a bang that's off the face. Regardless of, what our preferences are, maybe what I show you, what I'm doing today, might help for a wig somewhere down the line. I have Rory here. I really want her to work because this is a really pretty wig. And as I said a couple of days ago, I love the color. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Wait till you see this color outside. If you are a brunette and you just want some subtle honey auburn highlights mixed in, you will love this because it doesn't look blonde. It looks perfect. It really does. So I am going to put Rory on. We'll see how the bangs look after I put her on. I have not tried Rory on since washing it and all of that because I wanted us to see together. And I thought, well, if the bangs if they haven't changed, if they're still with that box hair type of very flat against the forehead as they were, I've got my hot airbrush here because it is straight synthetic. I can't use hot tools, but I can use steam and I can use a hot airbrush at a very low setting. So I'm going to put Rory on. We're going to see what it looks like and we'll see what needs to be done. I'm going to give her a shake because I haven't done that since I washed. There's no permatease really to talk about. There's a little bit around here, right around the top, but there's not an awful lot. However, it is a high density, definitely, or higher than what I'm really used to. Okay, the bangs are really flat. I don't know if maybe a little trimming might help with that. I think I told you the other day that the fringe is 4 inches. So I'm going to turn the volume off because this is really loud. And I'm going to play some music, but I want you to see what I'm going to do. And we're going to see if it helps. I have no idea if it helps or not. Pretty much did it. Now they're not flat anymore. Now they got that little roundness to them. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but yeah, much better. I purchased this. It's a Hot Tools on Amazon. The most important thing is for the bristles to be silicone. And like I said, it only has a high and a low temperature. And when I use it on my synthetic wigs, I only use it on low. And I'll link it down in the description box. But you see the bangs, I don't know if you can tell, but they are a little rounder. They are not sticking right to my forehead. So now I am a happy camper. That's all that was needed. Obviously, we can do an awful lot because of this length. Even if you do not care for higher density, there are so many styling options with a style like this that I think it's worth it, and a very affordable price with a beautiful beautiful fibers. Just cascades down. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Jenny, if you're watching, yeah, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. I think this is a great piece also if you want to have one to set it up in an updo and just to leave it like that. I think this is perfect, and for the price you can't go wrong. Was place my barrette right up there. If you love cascades, you will. Cascades of beautiful waves. All right, so who's going to love this style? I think if you love bangs, you will love the style, and you have to love the higher density. Permatease, like I said, there's really not much. There might be a little bit over here at the base. Nothing really to speak of on top, but around the nape, I'm feeling it. See, there's really nothing to speak of permatease there. I mean, it's really well done. If you're someone that likes a little lift, you can get it here because we do have that good amount of density on here. All right, let's take a walk outside so you can see Chocolate Pretzel in the sunlight. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you visiting with me today. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. And don't forget, ladies, follow your passion, whatever it may be. I'll see you next time. Bye.